You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to lock the Photos app on your iPhone with a separate password. The iPhone does not have a built-in feature to password protect individual apps like Photos with a unique password. However, you can use two workarounds. First, use the built-in hide feature. Open the Photos app, select the photos you want to hide, tap the share icon and choose hide. These photos will move to the hidden album, which you can then lock behind Face ID or your device passcode in settings. Go to settings, then photos and toggle on use Face ID under hidden album. Second, use the Notes app. You can save photos in a locked note, create a new note, add the photos, tap the three dots and select lock. Set a unique password for that note. The note is secured with that password or Face ID. For a more comprehensive solution, use a third-party app like Private Photo Vault from the App Store, which offers its own PIN or password protection for more simple iPhone privacy tutorials. Subscribe to the channel.